disclaimer, guys. I am so sorry if I talked really fast during this video. I think I did, but I can't remember. But if I did, my bad. Bear with me. I'm trying to get back into the swing of filming. You know, I'm trying to get used to being in front of the camera and all that. Sometimes I talk really fast just so that I don't forget what I have to say. So, yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Roxy and welcome. Today I'm going to be filming a quick little video, honestly. It's going to be pretty short, but you know what? I kind of wanted to film this unboxing for you guys just because I've never heard anyone talk about it, like literally no one. The only reason I knew about this subscription was because I actually went on the website and there was like a little advertisement little thing on there and I saw it and I was like, you know what? I want to try that. I'm talking about the Lilly lashes monthly subscription. It's $25 a month for mink lashes. You get a 15% discount off the original price. I think they're originally like $30. So you pay $25 and that includes shipping and not to mention 2-day shipping. So it comes super duper fast. I have a new box here. This is actually my third box from them. The two other lashes were the Miami lashes and they look like this. Really pretty, but this month I actually got a different kind. You can switch them out like whenever you want. I think I'm just gonna keep switching them until I have all of them, so that way I have like a nice little collection of mink lashes for like special occasions and stuff like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these up for you guys and we are gonna see what these look like. In the little box, this is what it looks like. It comes with this little, what is this called? Little postcard looking thing. And it says, hey girl, our rewards program is finally here. Earn points that you can redeem for free products. You can receive, oh yeah. So I'm guessing that you can redeem those points and then get like a free pair of lashes. And yeah, it says you can receive points for placing orders, referring friends, following and sharing us on social media, and more. Sign up now and get 200 free points on us. If you have any questions regarding this program, feel free to reach out to our customer service team info. Stay glam. XOXO Lilly. Okay, so it comes with that. It's super cute too, look. Oh, cute. And then you have the lashes and your receipt. So, let me see. So this month I got the 3D mink lashes in Canis. I don't know how to pronounce that. Canis. I'll leave the name down below in the description box, but yeah. So like I said, the subscription comes with 15% off and free shipping. So my total here is $25.49, which for a pair of mink lashes is not that bad. Yeah, so this is the new pair that I have. I feel like they're a lot more on the natural side than the Miami ones. So like I said, I have two Miami lashes already from the subscription. And I'm just gonna show you what these look like. Like, how freaking cute is this? I'm probably gonna wear these on my wedding anniversary, which is coming very soon. Oh, I'll probably do like a get ready with me or something and you guys will see those. But yeah, so we're gonna open these up and like I said, they're on the natural side. Yeah. It comes in this little plastic bag. And then these are, does it say the name? There you go. Okay, so it says Mink Canis. Canis? Right? I don't know. But yeah. And this is what they look like. Really freaking cute. I actually really like these. Like, this would be a really nice like everyday lash, I feel like. These are really pretty. I like. Okay, so I'm really glad I switched that out. Like I said, I'm probably gonna keep the subscription until I have all of the little collections or the whole collection, and then just cancel it until I need more lashes, I guess. I don't know how it works, but that's what I plan on doing. So yeah, you can cancel it at any time. The only thing is you have to have the subscription for 2 months, and then after those 2 months you can cancel it. So I already have 2 months worth. This is my 3rd month, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you didn't know about that subscription, now you do. I didn't know about it. I think it's pretty cool. I don't have any other makeup subscriptions. I used to have Ipsy, but I canceled that like a long time ago. So I just wanted to try this one out. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you really soon.